talk about all the unique happenings in the greater Philadelphia region, kind of connecting within the community and really doing great things. And one of those people is Rosa Aviata. And she comes to us, to Philadelphia. She is a resident of Philadelphia, but she comes by way of Naples, Italy.
Sleeve stays up. Did I leave it to my style?
Yes.
Yes, I'm trying on Rosa's earrings, which I think are from a famous designer in Italy, Milano.
These are absolutely
Her name
nice.
is Bianca.